and there's no plug for the laptop because we need to 15-day trip ka mission accomplished. So we are running.
I can see.
एक बार forgetting the previous one is as crazy as कोई पीछे नहीं.
And next time then also I can see.
And now it's not going back down. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Love this sunlight. I wish there was sun yesterday also so I could shoot, but you saw me pack and all everything. I didn't start the vlog in the morning, speaking, but we checked out of where we were staying, and now we've kept our bags there only because we have time. Like I told you yesterday, we have time. We have our bus to Danang in the evening, so we've kept our bags at the stay only, and like we have bags for shopping. But we've come to the Russian market. It was Taiwan Loong Street where we are staying. So from there it is like barely 7-8 minutes by cab. And now this Russian market is to be known for cheap stuff. So let's go and let's see what's there. This is how the Russian market looks from outside. Let's go inside and see what's there. So as you enter, this is the ground floor, and like as you enter there's all winter stuff. There are puffers, there are jackets. Along with woolen wear, there are a lot of all the gym stuff. Let me show you. There are shorts, there are jackets, there are t-shirts, there are tracks. So the price range here is 400, 500 to 1500, 2000. Not sure if they're looking at us and then giving the price, but the hype was that there are cheaper products. All of this we get Mumbai Linking Road maybe in like 200, 300. So we're still looking, but let's see. And it's just 2 floors. We thought it's more, but it's just 2 floors. There are branded products here. They are most probably the defect pieces. So if you are someone who shops branded on a regular basis and wants those long lasting stuff, and like in a regular life, regular days, you're paying 2000, 3000 for a pair of pants or more, or you're paying 1000, 1500 for a t-shirt, then probably this is something that you will enjoy, because then you get them at half or 1/3 price, like 300, 400 mein, 500 mein you will get a top, 500 rupees mein you will get a top, and the bottoms you will get in 800, 900 instead of your usual 3000. So if that is your style of shopping on a daily basis, then makes sense. But we keep changing clothes, we don't repeat, but at regular, this is not branded shopping. We're not that keen on it. So So मतलब ठीक है, you get all of this stuff there also. So we switched and we've come to the Saigon Square. This is a bigger one. This is an entire building. Let's see. We're going to the top and then we come down. Let's see if we find something. Otherwise, popat. Prices are pretty much like this. Where we went इसके पहले where we went Russian market. So it's like you can go without shopping from here. You get everything. At least you get everything in Mumbai. You also get everything online. Coffee, guys. There's a coffee store here. Test the coffee from them and you're done. We finished Saigon Square. Same prices like why am I forgetting the previous one? What was the first market, the name? इसके पहले Russian. Same prices and same kind of stuff which we get at Linking Road also. People say that it's manufactured here, so they are very cheap. But if they are manufactured here and they come to India, then they are cheaper in India. Anyways, we are here at... The thing is, you don't wear clothes those many times. New styles, you want to upgrade with the new style. So you rather take 200-300 rupees ka stuff than 1,000 rupees ka stuff and wear it once, twice at good events and done. We have come to right opposite the Saigon Square. We have come to Gujarat restaurant for lunch, and then we will eat lunch and then see one more street market, not this building wala market. We'll see one street market and then go take our bags and leave.
What is the name of that street?
Sense.
Europe. And what is the
When you get this in a foreign country, you're at the right place. We've googled to find another market and we found Sense Market, but no idea what it is. It's underground. We're figuring first where to go from. One can only hope we found the market. Let's check this out. It looks the same or higher. Let's see. Guys, 15-day trip ka mission accomplished. Now, even if we don't shop, it's okay.
Now I can sleep peacefully.
Now we all can sleep peacefully on whichever bed we get.
Standing style, then also I can sleep.
Sense Market is your thing. We got. मालूम पड़ा अभी आगे चल के more इसमें we get.
No,
बस बाबा. So we came and I showed you that auntie. I showed you the shop name. We got stuff in 50k. मतलब like 150k का 3 we got. So that way there was a huge box. Usually they keep such huge boxes down in the corner and they are cheap. They might be stained, they might have a small, like we found 2-3 dresses jiska strap was broken or there was no hook to it, which you yourself can mend, which is not a big deal. And we found that box 150 for 2, but then we told her to give 3 for 150. And then we dug into the entire pile. We removed around 100 pieces and then yes, the out is over here. We removed around from out of 500 pieces, we removed 100 pieces and then we shortlisted. Not 100, I'm exaggerating, you get the point. But we shortlisted 16 pieces. So in 750k dong, we got 16 pieces. Actually 15 pieces, but we told her you give. There was one very thin kapda crop top. We told her you give that. So.
What?
So we took that, which we started from here, which if we convert in rupees, where this is exit, which if we convert in rupees is approximately 2,500. So in 2,500, if we've got 16 pieces, approximately 150, between 150 to 170 per piece. It's a great deal. I don't know what I've blabbered, but you get the point. This is a good explanation. And find those boxes in the corners. Sense Market is good. Go to this lady. She has a good pile. I mean, go to this lady as if you're going to come tomorrow, but find out. Find those boxes. Because even in the other markets we saw, the boxes stuff had cheaper this. So if you don't mind, if you're someone who keeps changing, who wants change in clothes, great. Mission accomplished. We are all. Look at this. This is what we were looking for. See, same thing we would have done. We wouldn't have done if we went to Linking Road, but we do get the same stuff in similar prices at Linking Road also. बाहर आए तो ऐसा बाहर से शॉपिंग करने का.
कितना दो है 50.
Guys, we were exiting, but we came to another turn, and they found one more box which wrote 50k dong, which is again 150-160 rupees. Now we are in the digging mission again. Paps. Ma'am. No distraction now. Straight pick the bags and go to the bus stop. Just today, while we were having lunch, Mother dear said that we shouldn't have booked the flight with check-in luggage because we haven't shopped and the prices are not as much. And look at us now. We have one full suitcase. Now what to do? Now so we need check-in luggage, no?
No, I was in the morning thinking that only. That jaldi, don't do anything because then we will do shopping so फिर बढ़ जाएगा and then again she'll have to do keep for more.
We just got down of our cab and we booked another one. And the thing about Grab cabs is you book and they are all around. So they reach fast and then they'll wait only for 5 minutes. And if you don't reach, they'll cancel it. And then the Grab app charges you a fine on your next order, which we can't afford because we need to use the Grab app for the rest of the trip. So we are running to get our bags. Left. Running on the streets. We made mom wait with our stuff there. And चल चल चल.
जूत तो निकल गया.
We are running as if कोई हमारे पीछे पड़ा है. But इधर का कैब सिस्टम,
पीछे पड़ा तो मैं बैठ
इधर का कैब सिस्टम is as crazy as कोई पीछे नहीं है. You have to run so that you don't miss your cab. And because this thing happened with mom, she put, but then the car reached somewhere far, and then he said that I'm not coming where you are, jabki we were barely any far, and they charged mom के account पे, so we've not booked only after that on my. See this, she's clicking photo अंदर गाड़ी में बैठ के video. Okay, bye. After all of that and 20 minutes, 25 minutes in the cab, we've come to the bus stop and they've told us that the bus is big, so it's not going to fit here, it's not going to come here. They're going to take us to the bus. But the space is huge. God knows how more big the bus is. But either way, we were coming, so we lived in quarter 1 and we were passing through and we noticed quarter 5 had a lot of cheap stuff. We were crossing in the bus and we saw a rack from the what did I say? Crossing in the bus, crossing in the cab. From the cab we saw an entire rack of tops for 30k, which 30k for 9k, 10k, which is 30-40 Indian rupees. And it's fate that we didn't have to go there and we were in the cab. We got our jumbo. But that is the update so far. I want to do photo shoot. Again, there's no sunlight today. There was, but then guys, we are finally in the bus. So, like, why is my phone lagging? Like I mentioned, should I put on the lights? Are there lights? Have I put up? Yeah, see, put up the lights. What? So, like, I think I spoke last at the bus stop, but that was basically the bus company, and from there they got us outskirts for another hour, almost an hour. Highway पे बार they said this bus will not come there, we will take you there. So they got us here, and now these are sleeper buses. There are around 20 seats, fully sleeper. I'll show you. But yeah, that happened, and there's Wi-Fi, there is charging, and I thought I will work on my laptop in the bus because there's so much time. And there's no plug for the laptop, for the charger, and there's no battery in my. Had I known, I would have charged the laptop before, but I can't do anything. I've transferred all my data in the laptop. I don't have anything on the phone that I can edit, but I'll still figure if this much battery that it has, if I can transfer at least real content on my phone, and then that is what I will do. My phone is charging. This seat has a massager. There's a remote here. There's a massager in that. Let me show you around. So we ate and we're chilling now. I am chilling. My phone is still charging. It's very slow. Obviously can't expect a moving bus to have fast charging or anything, but I will still complain. And one more complaint. My seat, I put it up. There is this thing here. I put it up
and now it's not going back down. I don't know how I'm supposed to sleep. But yes, that was it for. That was. I just wanted to say that is it for this video. That was it for this video. Please keep checking all the group descriptions, all the descriptions for every vlog from the series. Check the video descriptions. I will always mention as much information as I can: ticket prices, approximate prices, what we did, how we did, routines. That will always help you to, it will always be a join the dot system for when you want to plan, or that way. So yeah, this is it for day 3. I will see you in my next video.